I was just sent this Chillax Baby Giraffe Pro Smart Baby Cam for review, so let's take a look. It comes with a baby monitor and can also be hooked up to an app so you can view it from your phone. Ooh, it looks like a clippy for installation. A user's guide. The camera. So cool, it's bendable, so you can angle it for the perfect view. We also have 2 power cords. So here's everything unboxed. Let's set it up. At the end of the camera, USB plug, and that's gonna go into here. Boom, it's installed. The power cord plugs into the bottom. And you can see how you could install it easily on the wall. It doesn't come with those parts, but you can just get some screws. You can also stand it like that. You can also clip it here. So for example, you could clip it onto your baby's crib rail. Just gonna do like this. And boom, it's installed. So easy. And then you can change this to get the right angle. So let's say I wanna go up and down. There's the power cord for the monitor. All right, I've got the baby monitor plugged in, and you can hear myself because I'm being recorded by that camera over there. There, we've got the camera and the monitor all in one shot. It's charging, so this will be wireless. Now we've got it set up in my kids' room. Here's the two-way talk. Hi girls, can you hear me? Up here you can see it tells you the temperature, and there's the battery level. Right now we're still charging. Here you have volume up and down, and you can log feeding and diaper changes. Diaper change event is logged. You just push the button, so easy. Here you could log a feeding. Feeding event is logged. So cool. And then all this goes into the app once you pair it to your phone. I've just downloaded the app on my phone. Now I've got it going on my phone and the baby monitor. Oh, what do we do? Go to the diary. Feeding. Breastfeeding left and right. Solid bottle. Oh my gosh. So handy. Diapering. Poo, mixed, wet. Sleep. Calendar, health, medic, temperature, vaccination, appointment. Oh my gosh, they have everything. Leisure, baby massage, bath time, tummy time, playtime. Growth, head conversion, weight, height. Teething. When they get their teeth in. Oh my goodness. Ah. So fun. And analysis. So it'll give you a summary of feeding and all these things, diapering, sleeping, and leisure. Wow. This is so much more than a baby cam. You can add a baby and you can take a photo of your baby. You can give others access to the app and to the camera, and they will authenticate who is permitted to access the camera. But if you're really nervous, you can simply turn off the Wi-Fi for the device. This is an amazing baby cam, not just for babies. You can use it to monitor older kids or pets. I love that it has Wi-Fi or non-Wi-Fi options. You can use it with the baby monitor. You can use it on your phone remotely. I love how simple it was to set up with the clip. It's like installed in a minute, really. Easy to use, has great functions, but is simple and not overwhelming. Love this Chillax Baby Giraffe Pro Smart Baby Cam.